Good afternoon. My name is Tom Brinsonoff, certified master mechanic out of Reading, Pennsylvania. Today we're going to talk about how to replace a leaking radiator hose. You only need a couple basic tools: Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, good pair of pliers. Definitely not a tire pressure gauge. But these clamps right here, you use a pair of pliers for. These clamps are either squeezy clamps, or the common clamps that most mechanics replace them with is ones that were driven in with a Phillips head screwdriver. First you want to do is drain your radiator down far enough that it's below the level of the radiator hose. You'd want to remove this clamp right here, and then this clamp in here, and then just turn and pull the radiator hose back off, and the same thing going back on. You put the new one on, slide one end on, put your clamp on it. Put your clamp on the hose, bring it up here high enough, slide it down over this end, put your clamp back on this end. Fill your radiator back up. Real simple, easy to do, take 5-10 minutes.